Subscribe to Anu's Food Cart, click on the bell icon and select the option all to get notification whenever I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. Today I am going to share the recipe of simple veg pulav. I have just used 2 vegetables, but you can use any number of vegetables and any vegetables of your choice like mushroom, potato, beans and so on. So let us quickly check out the recipe. I have taken a cup of basmati rice, 1/8 cup each of green peas and carrots, 1/4 cup of thinly sliced onions, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of hot water, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of cilantro or coriander leaves, 3 cloves, half an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1/4 teaspoon of caraway seeds or shahi jeera. Wash the rice well until the water runs clear, then soak it in water for at least half an hour to 45 minutes. Drain the water and keep it aside. Now place a pan on medium flame and add oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add in green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, bay leaves and shahi jeera or caraway seeds and mix well. Cook until the raw flavor is completely gone. Now add in thinly sliced onions and mix well. I have added a teaspoon of salt so that the onions release moisture quickly. Now cook the onions until it is slightly brown in color. Then add in ginger garlic paste and mix well. Cook until the raw flavor of ginger garlic paste is completely gone. Add in the vegetables and mix well. Saute the vegetables for at least 2 minutes and then we'll move on to the next step. After 2 minutes, we'll add in the soaked and drained rice and also add in the cilantro or coriander leaves to it. Now mix well and saute the rice. This step is very important because only then the rice will be fluffy and stay separated once it is cooked. After a minute, add in 1.5 cups of hot water. Now I have transferred everything into a pressure cooker. I have first used a pan so that you can watch it clearly. Now this is a 1-pot recipe, so you can make it directly in the pressure cooker itself. Now place the pressure cooker on medium flame and cook it for a whistle. Open the pressure cooker once the pressure subsides and you can see nice and fluffy vegetable rice ready. You can serve it hot with some simple raita, and I have also posted the recipe of raita on my channel, so do not forget to check out the description box for the link of the same. Enjoy! Wasn't that a very simple pulav? You can pack it for lunchbox and have it with raita, and you can also make it on your lazy days as well. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for many more such beautiful recipes. Also try out this recipe and let me know through the comment section below how it turned out for you. See you guys with another yummy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.